I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Bank account KYC is complete and you're logged into your UPI app. Once ready, open the app and go straight to Manage UPI ID or Profile UPI. Choose Create New or Add VPA and enter a custom ID that omits any phone digits. Make sure the suffix uses your bank's handle, for example, custom name at bank. This step removes the phone-based identifier and creates a neutral VPA linked to the same bank account. Once you create the custom VPA, link it to your bank account in the app, select the correct account and confirm. Next, complete verification. The app will trigger an OTP or ask for your UPI PIN to authorize the new VPA. After verification, set this custom VPA as your primary or default ID for receiving payments. Doing this ensures senders see the non-phone VPA first. You're changing the exposed identifier while keeping the same underlying bank account for settlements. Finally, go back to Manage UPI ID and delete or deactivate the old phone-based VPA to stop incoming requests to that identifier. Make sure to update subscriptions, merchants, and contacts with your new VPA so payments continue uninterrupted. If deletion is blocked, make sure the VPA has 0 pending transactions and isn't primary. Then retry. Troubleshooting tip. If the app disallows custom VPAs or deletion, contact your bank's UPI support. They can clear linked identifiers or guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.